Hey everyone, welcome back to the Green Farm channel. It is Claudette and I'm back with another holiday project. I'd like to share my last Halloween holiday project. As you guys may know, today is Monday and Halloween is this coming Sunday. So this is a really cute and simple and quick Halloween project. Of course, you can use this for any occasion, but it's really simple and quick. So this is what I love about it. I hope that when I do these videos, that is what it comes across. I don't really have much time to make a bunch of these, so when they're quick and simple, that is my jam. Anyways, you can mass produce these because they are that quick. And obviously you can decorate it any way you want and it will be super cute, I am sure of it. So let's get started. These boxes are about 3 by 2 by 2. So it could fit a good amount of chocolates in here or whatever you're going to put. I am going to use one of these from the Trick or Treat 5 digital kit. If you haven't gotten your Halloween stamps, you can go ahead and purchase one from the Greeting Farm, especially the digital one, because you can get them instantly, you know, give or take a few minutes after you make your purchase. You can get them immediately, whereas if you were to order a stamp, a physical stamp, it will take a few days to get it, and we don't have that time, especially since Halloween is this coming week. I will be using one of them. I'm not sure which one. I'm thinking I'm going to use the Medusa one or the pumpkin. I think I'm going to go ahead and just do the Medusa one. So let's get started. All the measurements and where to score will be in the description box down below if you didn't catch me as I'm saying it, because we are going to go super fast with this tutorial. You will need a pattern paper or cardstock, and then you could layer on your pattern paper on it. I just like to have my pattern paper already. I don't want to glue more than I have to because this is supposed to be a quick and simple project. So let's start with the scoring. This is going to be the size of your pattern paper or cardstock will be about 10.5 by 6. So 10.5 by 6. We are going to start scoring at the 2, 5, 7, and 10. Then you want to rotate it to the 6-inch side and score it at 1/2, 2, and 4. Please be mindful when you turn your pattern paper that the right side up is facing it. So this is going to, when you score it, you want to make sure that it is going to be right side up. What I mean by that is you don't want to have your box upside down where the pattern is showing upside down. So this is going to be the top, where the 1/2 inch will be the top of the box. So that would be this portion right here, this 1/2 inch. So be mindful when you do that with your pattern paper. If you're just using cardstock, no worries. And then when you adhere your cardstock, it will obviously be in the correct orientation of your project. All right, so let us go ahead and burnish these score marks. All right, once you're done burnishing the score marks, let's just go ahead and cut this piece of rectangle away. And let's just miter that. Let's miter this part as well. All right, and then let's cut the bottom. This is the bottom part, and we'll just go ahead and cut it to the first score mark. Okay, I kind of want to just cut this to make it a little bit more even. Alrighty, so now we want to go ahead and glue this down. And I will just use this one for purposes of the video. so where the seam is the back part of my box. So this is the back, which means this will be the front. So we want to go ahead and glue this part. Okay, and then you want to just pinch in the sides, and there you go. That is the box. And then I would use one of my little clothespins, and I think I got this from like Target. I don't remember where I got it, to be honest with you. And then I just went ahead and added glitter to them just to make it a little fancy. So there you go. Really simple, right? And quick. Okay, so let's decorate this really quick. Let's see, do I want to use glue? So what I did was, so it wouldn't be too plain and boring, I went ahead and made this little, cut this little cardstock. It's about 3 inches in length by 3/4 in height. So just went ahead and add that just so that it doesn't look too plain. And then we will add our image, and I said I'm going to use Medusa. So all I have to do is, I'm going to use foam sheet. So I get this at like Hobby Lobby. So one side has adhesive, and then so I go ahead and stick it here, and then I'll just use glue to stick it onto the other side. Ooh, that's a little too much. Anyways, okay, so then I'll just stick that right here, and there you have it. Isn't that really cute and simple and quick? I just love that, especially if you have to make a whole bunch of them for, you know, whatever. If it's not for Halloween, it's for Christmas or Thanksgiving. Perfect size to put in some chocolates or candies or whatever you want to put in. But yeah, this is it. All done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Please even share it with your fellow crafters. We'd love having more people come over to our channel and sharing our stamps and our projects with you guys. If you have any questions regarding this project, please leave them in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. It will be Christmas for the next video. I know we're a bit early, but you know what? You need to have all your projects early and done so that you could enjoy the holidays, because that's what I like doing. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.